We're sitting in beautiful Logandale, Nevada in my dream home. It did take a lot to get into this home. A lot of sacrifice, a lot of hours, and a lot of money. I understand the buy now, pay later mentality. You know, getting into a 40-year mortgage was part of that deal and being able to keep us afloat.
I remember thinking after we got into a 40-year mortgage, shortly after that, you know, hey, I'm going to be 90 years old when this thing's paid off for. And you know, my dreams after that, I didn't know what I was going to do. I mean, I had several options. I could pull out my investment, pay for the house, and then there went my retirement. I could sell the house and downsize, and that was, you know, part of our dream is that we build a house big enough for our children to feel comfortable to come back.
Never in my wildest dream did I ever think that I could take what I have right now, just what I have right now, and reposition it and use that to my advantage in helping me further my goal and getting ahead. It wasn't until the United First Financial and the Money Merge account came along that just it was just like a burden was relieved.
I was probably still skeptical and still wondering. I mean, I remember going to a lot of these meetings.
He would go check on the software on a daily basis. The month previously, when we weren't on the Money Merge account program versus the month that we were, we'd given ourselves the same mortgage payment and we are down $9,000 less. You tell me the difference. We were that much further ahead, owing that much less in principal to the amount of debt that we had in our home equity line of credit. That's what was amazing to me. That's when the light bulb went on, because I had never seen anything like that happen before in my life.
It's very exciting to, you know, to watch, to be able to watch your debt roll back at an accelerated rate.
And I thought, you know what, I'm going to take this nice little secret and just work with it and keep it to myself and use it to my advantage. And if other people find out about it and hear about it, that's great. I honestly could not keep my mouth shut after that first month. I just found myself talking to more and more people, and the more and more people that could see the benefit for themselves, I was encouraged and approached one more time. You know, you really ought to consider being an agent. Within about a 6-month period of time, I was able to earn close to the same amount of money that, you know, my teaching salary provided me in a year's time. Even though I was met with skepticism, it was a very quick turnaround, because the majority of those individuals did become, you know, clients of the product and had the same success that I did.
This really gave us back our dream. In reality, is it really did. You know, I'm sitting there thinking, you know, what did I get myself into? You know, and this opened it back up. You know, I mean, in reality, you know, now we can dream again.
It's kind of amazing.